Doan Construction is out here today with Wish for Wheels building bikes for second grade students at Linton Elementary School.
I think it's more for us than it is them, honestly, and that's the truth.
We feel strongly that every kid in our community deserves to have a bike.
One of our values at Doan Construction is community, and giving back to the communities that we work in is really important to us. And what we love about Wish for Wheels is we get to give back in two ways. We pay for all the bikes, so we give back monetarily, and then we come out here and do a team building exercise where our team members put bikes together and we do fun races.
So I have a question for you guys. Who's ready to get a bike? All right. Well, here's how this is going to work.
It's to see their faces when they come out there to see these bikes and they get that bike. It's amazing. It's beautiful.
Yeah, seeing the smiles on kids' faces, there's no other better feeling than that. It's the best